I spent 22 years in the French Air Force as a fighter pilot. This is the smoke pipe, you know, for the white smoke. I flew with American pilots during war mission in Balkans. I'm number 6. You can feel the pressure, you know. It's very quiet, it's very smooth, it's like a flying carpet. The first part of the show is everything is visual. I'm on the right position, so I'm just looking on the left. So I'm just looking my wingman and the leader. We can see the ground. You know, the skyline of Chicago, for example, is just amazing. From the ground, it looks pretty cool.